when looking back at my life, I feel happy and grateful for all the love and support received from my parents, family, and friends all these years. There are no words to describe the gratitude I have for those who have extended their hands and been part of this journey we all call life. It brings joy to my heart knowing that there are people out there willing to help. And today I turned 30 and yes, I know I look way younger. I heard that ever since I can remember. It annoyed me for years, but I want to show the world that I was growing and that I wasn't a little kid anymore. I wanted to run to the future and grow older as fast as possible because I thought it meant freedom and no restriction whatsoever. Now, I simply focus on enjoying the present moment because I know tomorrow's not promised. If there was a way to talk to my younger self or even send him a message, I would tell him that he should not worry about the future, to slow down, to take a look around and enjoy everything from going to school, meeting students, playing soccer, and reading more books much sooner. That he should not feel ashamed for not knowing the right answer or making a mistake, to not be afraid to talk to the cute Argentinian girl from Spanish or that girl from Mrs. Wood's class. That you simply have to ask a question and be confident about it. And last, but not least, enjoy every single dinner spent with your parents because you only have so many of those left. They will separate and things will never be the same, but remember and never forget that no matter how hard you think life gets, everything will be fine. It would all work out the way it's supposed to. Do not worry. Just let things flow. You will meet people that will be part of your life and it will be sad when they leave, but they will leave you valuable lessons that will help you grow tremendously. To conclude, now, to my future self, I want to tell you I'm working as hard as I can to achieve our goals and that I'm enjoying every part of this journey. So, until we meet again in the next 30 years.